like your glasses back.
Oh, yeah, that will really help.
All right. Okay.
Needed this.
All right, I want y'all to observe Karen. Like I said, observe where she's holding stress. Okay? Now, we all know when we go on a paranormal investigation that the batteries get zapped out of our cameras because entities pull the energy. They also pull our energy. Okay? And when we do the Ghoul Be Gone with the off, all of a sudden we have all of our own energy, and that's why people all of a sudden look younger and their eye color brightens up and their face changes, because they're the only ones using their battery. And so if you do walk through a hospital or a graveyard or a family reunion,
That's a good one.
it's true. Alright, so y'all let me know when y'all have a good look at Karen, her shoulders, her jaw, her eyes. Got it? Okay, Karen. Are you breathing? Okay, close your eyes. And allow your breath. Open your eyes. Tell me what you'll see.
I saw her face light up a lot more.
She kind of went from, let's say yellow, for lack of a better word, to pink.
Yeah, I saw the
Much
light
like
just
that.
immediately start reflecting off her face a lot more than it was. Do you see a difference in her face?
I'm addicted to that stuff.
That you can tell. there's
Aren't
like-
I, honey?
Yeah, but
But-
it's like you know, it's like when you're feeling down and you're feeling, and you go get the Ghoul Be Gone and spray me,
when
and
I
it
get
really,
off-
I mean, it's difference between night and day.
When I get very draggy, I have to have some of it.
It smells really good.
And it smells really, that's
Right.
just
Essential oil.
another good thing. Oh yeah, that sounds good. You read the ingredients, they're amazing.
So,
That was all.
I think that's the end of this. Is there anything else that I have on here for this presentation? No. So now I'm going to ask y'all, I'm just going to kind of give a little Ghoul Be Gone around the room, okay? And now, allow your breath, and this is something I want you to notice, the difference between your power and your force. When you use your power and you punch, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. Something is going to punch back. Alright, no, that's force, okay? When you use your power, you emanate. Okay, so I want everybody right now to take a breath. Take a deep breath. That's force. You took it. Now I want everyone to allow a breath. You feel the difference. When you take a breath, you're still getting a breath. You're taking, and it's more forceful. When you use your spiritual gifts, instead of taking things and pushing things, if you stop and center and allow, you will find that your gifts become more vivid and more productive very quickly. You will also find that it's very difficult for anything to harm you, because you're moving, you're more connected with the Creator when you move from that power source within you, instead of your mind and your force. I am going to do this. No, I am connected with all that is, and I'm going to allow it to keep me safe. Big difference. So now I want y'all to allow your breath. And I'm going to hit y'all with a whole bunch of thistles, and I want you to say, I am, and complete that sentence. Is that a little bit different from what you had a while ago? Start to get in touch with what's in that head of yours. And I thank y'all. That completes my presentation.